Our distinctive FDL lighting technique has made our car fine-out images sought after by some of the world's most iconic car brands, manufacturers, collectors and owners alike. In our live stream workshop, we will show you how our FDL technique optimizes the relationship between shadows and highlights, which in turn brings out the subtle details hidden in the shape of the car, while still rendering soft enough light to manage the reflections in the paintwork. We will teach the basic principles of the technique and how to do it with equipment which you might already own, as well as the custom-made modifiers we use. We will show you a typical setup, the camera settings and the finer details of the technique in a real live shoot. Post-production will be taught in a separate live stream during November. To reserve your place for this workshop, visit our website www.carfineart.com. Come and join us on our journey.